Welcome to our step-by-step guide on optimizing your job application process. First up, let's dive into uploading your resume. As soon as you do, our tool starts scanning and extracting key details, ensuring nothing important gets missed. Now, on to filling out the basic information crucial for your application. This step is straightforward, but vital for setting a solid foundation. Moving forward, it's time to tailor your application. Add job titles that closely align with your skills and aspirations. This customization helps in targeting the roles that best fit your career goals. Next, specify the type of employment you're interested in, whether it's full-time, part-time, contract, or temporary. Defining this early on streamlines your search, matching you with the perfect opportunities. Lastly, let's talk location. If you're open to relocating, select anywhere to include both on-site and remote roles. If remote work is your sole focus, we've got an option for that. And for those preferring a mix of local and remote possibilities, there's a specific selection to ensure you get exactly what you're looking for. By clicking Next, we'll move to the Connect stage.